If you're experiencing cloud save error 2025 in Rocket League, follow these steps to resolve the issue and enable cloud saving. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the game from accessing cloud save features. Step 2. Restart Rocket League. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using Steam or Epic Games, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help fix a cloud save issue. Step 4. Check cloud save settings. Make sure that cloud saving is enabled in your game settings. Navigate to the settings menu and look for any options related to cloud saves to ensure they are turned on. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Rocket League support for assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or solutions for your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.